fine. How are you?
With the squeaky shoes. Hey,
Hello.
we've got something really exciting. Now, we did not see you on Sunday on our cook event and in the kitchen with David.
I know, I missed you.
You were on early in the morning.
But I got my Happy Dance t-shirt. I did.
And speaking of those Happy Dance t-shirts, if you all have already gotten yours, I know a lot of people have, take pictures in your t-shirt and post it on my Facebook page.
All right.
I want to see them.
Done.
Exactly. Hey, this is something that is a one-day only priced item. What does that mean? Only available at this price until end of day today or until the item sells out, whichever happens first.
Right.
Lowest price we're going to see for 6 months. This is brand spanking new.
I love it. And I have to say, so Figural Floral. So we offer it this time of year. It's one of our seasonal collections. And if we lose it, then we won't see it until next year. However, in this case, David, this is kind of one of those one and dones. This is has no reorder behind it.
No reorder at all.
But what we did was we took your favorite iconic pattern in your Figural Floral and we put it in one of your favorite silhouettes, which is what we call our centerpiece bowl, but it's so much more. It's 2 quart in capacity, helper handles there on the sides. And David, if you don't mind, can I walk everybody through each flower?
I wish you would.
This is going to be our tulip. If you collect confetti, if you love mixing and matching, you have all the colors of the rainbow in here. And it's completely sculptural. What does that mean? 360 degrees of those beautiful tulips where you can actually see all the different brush strokes that run through. Again, they're not just a solid color. They really become lifelike. This is your tulip and it's got the hot pink center. Next door to that is going to be our hydrangea. Hydrangea, we included your colors of your pinks and your blues.
Gorgeous.
Of course, look how beautiful the green detail is in the leaf that you see there. And then the center itself has that all over green color saturation, floral lace in green, old world in green. This still applies to that family of colors. And again, every single piece, every single dot, every little petal that you see there is all individually hand painted. So that's your hydrangea. I'm going to put that down. Look at the rose. Love the rose. Someone actually wrote on our Facebook page, this reminds her of her grandmother.
Oh, I love
where
it.
you have the yellows, you have the pinks, you have the reds. For me, I really wanted it to be a bouquet of roses, not just one solid color. Again, all of the detail, and there, look at that red center.
And 1,400, all I have left of that rose.
Woo, okay. There's your rose. And then
Drum roll, please.
move on over to Hello Yellow, which I did in honor of David, the inside of the brand new, what we're calling our pansy. So this is going to have your beautiful purples, your blues, your yellows. Absolutely stunning. All of the detail, the organic rim that runs around each piece, and then look at that gorgeous pop of yellow there on the inside.
Of all
David.
4 color choices, this is the most limited.
It's so pretty.
So please get this now. What you need to remember is that this began and will end as a stoneware piece.
Yes.
So you're going to be able to bake in this. You're going to be able to cook in this. You're going to be able to serve in this, store in this, hot or cold, because stoneware keeps hot hot and cold cold. Do your nachos in here and serve these for, oh, I don't know, maybe your March Madness party that you're having.
Love.
My Tar Heels are playing Friday, Pearson,
Oh,
by the way,
good to
against
know.
Auburn.
Okay.
I'll be watching Friday night. You can be sure I'll post it on the gram.
Oh.
Or the Insta, whatever they call it these
You're
days.
so trendy.
I'm very not trendy. Yes, I am not. This is H217813. But think about this for that great appetizer you're doing for the dinner party. Maybe it's bread that you're baking. 800 of these. You can also use this as a casserole dish.
Well, I'm going to show you. So while you were chit-chatting about your, I forget the team. Sorry. I'm fired, by the way. While you were chit-chatting about your Tar Heels, I was topping those beautiful nachos because it's 2 quart capacity. It's got an elongated shape. And what we love about that is you can do high nachos, but it's not going to take up a lot of room. And I love the fact that, again, whether you're baking in here and you're doing something like nachos, your scalloped potatoes, your mac and cheese, or look what we did here, David, in that gorgeous hydrangea, and we'll show you all of those in a minute again. We actually baked a bread. So this, we don't have a keeper currently with Temp-tations, or a server, but you can bake your bread in here. We braided it, we folded in some olives. Isn't that gorgeous? And some garlic. We baked in there, I can slice in there, and then I can serve back in there.
How many of these gone now, Sean? 1,300 are gone. I want to take you through choices again, reminding you that we have Tulip.
Yes.
Most popular is the Tulip, and if you have any of the other pieces in Tulip, a direct match.
Yes, and if you collect confetti like in Old World, that's going to be perfect. Love that.
And then we have it for you at Hydrangea.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
Really beautiful.
Look at the detail there, David.
Absolutely speaks to springtime.
Like when you think of the fact that these are all individually hand-painted, it boggles my mind still.
Then we have Rose.
Always classic.
I have 1,200 left in the Rose. And brand new today and also most limited is Pansy.
Which is your fave?
You know what, I have to say, I love the colors in this one. I love the bright sunshiny yellow inside. This just says
Hello,
Easter.
yellow.
Hello, yellow. We've missed you.
I was just going to say that.
But you know what? Think about this for Easter time.
Yes.
Whether you're filling it, as
that.
Tara has done here, with flowers and some flameless candles. Maybe you're doing an antipasto platter. You know, we were just in a meeting today talking about the new Friday edition of In the Kitchen with David, talking about how on Friday nights we entertain.
Yes.
We thought one of the cool ideas we might do is how to build an antipasto platter.
Oh, I love that.
Isn't that a great idea?
And do a charcuterie, too.
Yes.
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 Because we entertain a lot on Fridays. So tune in April 5th. My brand new In the Kitchen with David Friday show debuts. Now we've got it here with
Grilled
vegetables
shrimp.
and seafood, grilled shrimp.
Grilled shrimp,
and then
something
you did a
simple.
David-sized strawberry shortcake.
We absolutely did. And really showing you from cold to your entree, to your appetizer, to your centerpiece. That's what I love about our centerpiece bowl. It's kind of the chameleon in our collection because it's a 2-quart baker, so it's a fantastic size. The helper handle's there on the side, but look at all the versatility that you get just with that one baking piece. And the fact that we have no reorder on our Figural Floral. We offer it this time of year, and you've been waiting. I know.
2,000 are gone.
Thank you.
No reorder on these. We're not bringing this particular one back in. Think about this. Put your favorite linen in here and serve your bread. Pass it around the table
that idea.
as your bread basket.
Yes.
You're also going to love that you can bake right in this. You're going to be able to store right in this. If you wanted to do a casserole in here for springtime.
It's the perfect size.
Put the sweet potato casserole in here to serve with your ham for Easter.
Oh, I'm going to make your day right now.
Or maybe even just to the sliced ham in here or the sliced prime rib for your Easter dinner table, which I love.
This is just for you.
Oh, is that a banana split?
Yes.
A David-sized banana
Yes.
split?
But this is what I love about this silhouette. It's what makes
How many whole bananas are in there?
Yeah, there's
17.
2, 3, 4, carry the 1. There's quite a few. And of course, this is what we love about Temp-tations. So if you're new to Temp-tations, it started 17 years ago, and it really started as a time saver in the kitchen. My mom's a great cook, but she was
Love
using
her.
every dish in the house, and I was washing them. So of course I would go on to create one dish cooking, but these are the memory makers. When you take that out and the family gathers around, that's what they remember.
Birthday candles.
Yes.
Yep.
And now you have that great, beautiful centerpiece bowl that you can do so much more in.
I love this idea. That'd be
Isn't
another
this so
Friday
fun?
night great idea
This
for
is
my show.
You're right.
Because we're looking to, because Friday nights are half homemade, right?
Yeah.
You bring home a pizza, what do you make with it, right?
That's right.
So that's what we're going to help you with on Friday nights. Now, 2,500 of these are gone.
Thank you.
If you want Tulip, I have 1,900 left. No reorder on these.
no
When
reorder.
they're gone for good. This
Yes.
price will go away end of day today. Hydrangea, 1,900 remain. In the rose now. Only 1,100 left to go around. And in the pansy, brand new, I have fewer than 400. And I do want to point out that artwork goes all the way around.
Even on the helper handles, David,
Yep.
which is nice because it creates a non-slip grip.
Right here.
Just by having that decor there.
Just beautiful. And then, of course, it's been quite some time since Tara has done Hello, Yellow.
Hello, Yellow.
And you know what's going to happen? I'm going to be deluged with requests for Yellow.
We know.
And you know what I'm going to tell everyone?
Go to
over
Tara's
to Temp-tations by Tara McConnell-Tesher and let her know.
Hey, we hear you. We bring things back as quickly as we possibly can, and look what we did here. So when we talk about the fact that, yes, we did hot, we did cold, we've done beautiful scallop potatoes, and look at that performance.
Creamy.
Hold on, look at this. Look at the performance. Even in something that we call our centerpiece bowl, we have ooey gooey, beautiful.
Crispy, crunchy on the top.
Yep, that we tucked it under the broiler, which I love. And now look at that. That's already one serving. So when you think about 2 quarts, there's probably 6 to 8 servings in here easily. But I love what David said on the front down there. All the things that you can do it from appetizers to centerpieces.
5 easy payments on your credit card. 3,000 are now gone. Top that with some sprinkles.
Hello.
I love this idea. And with your permission, I'm going to borrow this for a Friday
may
night.
absolutely.
With David. This could be banana split for, good grief, 10 people?
At least.
Easily.
How many whole bananas are in there?
17. All right, so am I asking this question of Tara or everybody? Oh, you're off the hook. This is for everybody.
Oh.
All right. So here is your trivia question for this evening.